Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a closer look at an important step in the solar panel recycling process, solar panel glass removal. The material you see on the screen has already gone through this preliminary dismantling process, with the aluminum frame and junction box removed. Next, the panel goes through a thermal treatment process. After thermal treatment, the panel enters the glass removal machine. During this process, the glass is separated from the solar pane. After the glass is removed, the remaining solar panel is cut into long, narrow strips. This prepares it for the subsequent recycling and separation processes. The removed glass is sent to a glass sorting machine where it is further screened and separated according to different particle sizes. In this way, the glass can be sorted into different size fractions, making it easier to collect and reuse. If you are looking for solar panel recycling equipment or a complete PV recycling solution, feel free to contact us. We can provide customized recycling solutions based on your materials, capacity, and processing requirements. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more recycling technology and equipment.